In order to customize the lock screen on iPhone 17e, what you can do is you can open Settings. Next, we're gonna scroll down in here and we want to go to the wallpaper. Now, once we go to the wallpaper, you should be able to go ahead and tap on the lock screen that we have in here. And now we can customize the lock screen quite easily. You can tap on any of these sections that we have at the top in order to customize them. So you can adjust the widget at the top, which usually is the date, but you can switch to anything else, like for example the fitness app. You can add a reminder or anything else that you have available in this place. Of course, you should be able to tap on the clock itself as well in order to, for example, change the font. You can adjust the thickness of it. You can change the color as well, so you can make some further customizations quite easily. And of course, we also have a color picker, so you can choose a color of your choice if needed. There we go, and we can adjust it quite easily as well. And we can switch from glass to solid in case you don't want to use this glass effect, so be sure to check that out. Here in the upper left corner of this window, we have the selection of numbers which you want to use. So if you use different numbers, then of course you can change that quite easily. And of course, we can attach widgets as well, so you can easily add widgets to the lock screen in case you want to have some additional information from different apps. In the bottom left and bottom right corner, we have shortcuts which we can easily use. You can actually remove a shortcut and then you can choose a different one in case you want to replace the current shortcut. And for the wallpaper, most of the time we have either different variants or different effects that we can apply by swiping left and right. And in some cases we have the customization of these effects as well, so we can check that out. If you tap on the three dots, you can find sometimes the extend wallpaper option, which you might want to use in some cases. And of course, once you are done with the customization, just tap on the done in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.